Seven of us, college friends, we decided to go there. A lot of weird things started happening, and then none of the pictures were there.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishtha Berry and welcome back to Crime Tech English. So a few days back I was going through some articles online and stumbled upon a link that said top 10 haunted places in Delhi. So out of sheer curiosity, I started reading the article and found this particular place to be quite captivating. The name of this place is Bhuli Bhatiyari Ka Mahal. So after researching a lot about Bhuli Bhatiyari, jogging through several articles and watching a bunch of videos on YouTube, we decided not to come to a conclusion. Why? Because there are two theories about this place. One that claims that this place is haunted and the other says otherwise. So in short, we decided to visit Bhuli Bhatiyari to record our own true experience, and here's how it went.
Bhuli Bhatiyari Ka Mahal is almost 600 years old, and it was basically a hunting lodge built by Firoz Shah Tughlaq in the 14th century. There are many theories about this place, the common one being that it is one of the most haunted places in India. So beginning the journey with an open mind, there came a point where we had to ask for directions to the fort, and a stranger straightaway warned us not to go. When we asked him why, he said that it's not a safe place, and we were about to find that out. As we reached Bhuli Bhatiyari, we noticed that there was literally no one around that area. The fort resides in complete abandonment, and to witness a place like this in Delhi is a rare occurrence. As we spotted the mahal, it almost looked like an aged person on the verge of dying. There was nothing scary about it, just an old abandoned fort in Delhi. We entered the fort, and again, nothing felt creepy, except for the pin drop silence that can be interpreted in numerous ways. Wherever we went, silence followed. From the inside, this mahal is a very small place, with little rooms few feet apart from each other. In one of the rooms, we saw mattresses, dirty clothes, and blankets. Of course, that meant someone was using the fort as a residence. Rest of the rooms were empty. We didn't find any red flags inside in terms of ghosts, but yes, it was a scary place because there are chances of you colliding with sketchy characters. Again, all human. Now it was time to visit the haunted ridge surrounding the fort. Again, a dense deserted forest full of strange animals. As we were about to enter the ridge, we met a man and decided to ask him what he thought about the mahal.
कोई भूत ऊत नहीं है। और दूसरी बात ये, शाम को 5 बजे के बाद भाई आपकी बता दूं, 5 बजे के बाद ये होता है कि यहाँ पीछे लफंगे लोग, लड़के लोग आते हैं। तो वो अब जैसे लड़की आई हुई है, आप आए हुए हैं, आप आए, आपको तंग करना, रफ बात कहना, इसलिए यहाँ अवॉइड करते हैं क्योंकि जंगल तो है ही।
Now the moment we entered the forest, something very unusual happened. The main camera stopped working. Yes, 1-year-old camera with full battery, and all of a sudden it died in the forest. We did everything in order to make the camera work again, but we failed. Now this could mean a lot of things to different people, but we found it quite strange. We had to shoot the rest of the video from our phone. Nothing else happened while we were there in the forest. We were inside for like 30 minutes and couldn't find anything strange or scary, except for the camera incident. Next thing to top the unusual is the moment we left the place and sat in our car, the camera started working again mysteriously. The battery was full, all the footage was there, and well, me and my colleagues were convinced that we had to give this camera up for repairing, but it just started working again the moment we came out of that place.